Welcome to Kids Worksheets. Hello children. Today we will learn domestic animals. Let's start. This is cow.
Hello friends. My name is cow. My name is goat. Hello friends. My name is goat. Sheep. Hello friends. My name is sheep. Hi. My name is dog. I am a dog. Hello friends. My name is cat. Cat.
Hi friends, my name is Camel. My name is Camel.
Hello friends. My name is pig. Pig. Hi friends. My name is buffalo. Buffalo.
Hi friends, my name is Horse. Horse.
Hi friends, my name is Hen. Hen.
Hello friends. My name is duck. Duck. Let's revise.
Cow, goat, sheep, camel, dog, cat, pig, buffalo, horse, hen, duck. So keep on learning. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Thank you.